Alright, what do we have here? It seems like we got bright blue colored contacts. I guess it's for some kind of cosplay, for some character named SHIORI. I don't know this character, but the contacts seem really nice, and now I'm actually looking. It's a set, so it includes one pair of these colored contacts, lens case and eye drop. So yeah, that's really good and that's really convenient. And yeah, I'm really curious how this will show on my dark brown eyes, because it's been an issue for me with most of colored contacts, but yeah, they look super nice, so I'm really interested. First there is eye drops. I will definitely use eye drop, moisturizing and comfort drops, and that's amazing because like I get my eyes irritated a lot, whether it's from like dry air or when I'm wearing contacts or just in general. Like I have kind of sensitive eyes, so eye drops are welcome addition. Here is the case, and now the contacts. There are two of them, of course, and they are from Crazy Lens, so that's pretty good sign because they should show really nicely on my brown eyes. So I guess I'm gonna open them and I'm gonna try them on and then show you how they look and tell you about comfort and everything like that. Oh my god, I look so weird with blue eyes. I mean, it's not bad, but it's wow. So as you can see, the colored contacts like show super well on my eyes, like unexpectedly well. Even the Crazy Lens I had before like weren't this bright. So if you have dark eyes, it's absolutely amazing because they cover your eyes completely. And yeah, I really can see how these lenses are good for cosplay, and I wish I had these contacts when I did cosplays, because like I always struggled with blue-eyed characters or green-eyed characters because just my eyes are so dark, hardly any contacts can cover them. So yeah, like I am super impressed with the result. As for comfort, they feel like any Crazy Lenses do. They are really comfortable. I don't feel them in my eyes really. I had experiences with Crazy Lens before, with like them drying my eyes a little bit, because as I mentioned, I have sensitive eyes, but that's what are these drops for, so it's really amazing. Yeah, if you are looking for bright blue contact lenses, like this is the way to go basically, because they are just amazing, wow. Also, it's really nice they have multiple tones in them, so it's not like one solid color. So yeah, like I have never even heard of like colored contacts being sold in kits like this. So I mean, it's a really good deal, because like you get everything in one set and you don't have to worry basically. So yeah, thank you so much MaxView Vision for sending me these contacts. They are absolutely stunning. Like I'm blown away by the color payoff I got from these. Bye bye!